Geotechnical investigation services are essential for any construction project to ensure the stability and safety of the structure being built. Located in Lajpat Nagar, Delhi, Scon Design is a reputable company that specializes in providing geotechnical investigation services. With their expertise and experience, they offer comprehensive solutions to assess the ground conditions, analyze soil properties, and identify any potential risks or hazards that may affect the construction process. When it comes to geotechnical investigations, Scon Design follows a systematic approach to gather accurate data and provide reliable recommendations. Their team of geotechnical engineers conducts site visits to visually inspect the area and collect soil samples for laboratory testing. These tests include determining the soil composition, moisture content, density, and other relevant parameters that influence its behavior under load. By conducting geotechnical investigations in Lajpat Nagar, Scon Design aims to provide valuable information to engineers, architects, and construction professionals. This information helps them make informed decisions during the design and construction phases of a project. The geotechnical investigation report provided by Scon Design includes detailed findings, analysis, and recommendations based on the site-specific conditions. The geotechnical investigation services offered by Scon Design in Lajpat Nagar are crucial for a wide range of construction projects. Whether it's a residential building, commercial complex, or infrastructure development, understanding the ground conditions is vital to ensure the structural integrity of the project. By identifying potential issues such as soil instability, groundwater presence, or geological anomalies, Scon Design helps mitigate risks and optimize the design accordingly. Scon Design's geotechnical investigation services in Lajpat Nagar are not limited to just data collection and analysis. Their team of experts also provides recommendations for foundation design, soil stabilization techniques, and slope stability measures. This ensures that the construction process is carried out efficiently and effectively, minimizing any potential delays or cost overruns. Choosing a reputable geotechnical investigation service provider like Scon Design in Lajpat Nagar is essential for any construction project. Their expertise in this field allows them to accurately assess the ground conditions and provide valuable insights that contribute to the success of the project. Whether it's a small-scale residential development or a large-scale infrastructure project, investing in geotechnical investigations can save time, money, and prevent future problems. Their systematic approach, extensive laboratory testing, and comprehensive reports provide valuable insights for engineers and construction professionals. Geotechnical investigation services in Lajpat Nagar play a crucial role in the construction and design process. These services are essential for determining the suitability of the soil and rock conditions at a particular site. Geotechnical investigations involve a detailed study of the ground conditions, including the soil and rock properties, groundwater levels, and any potential geotechnical hazards that may affect the construction project. Lajpat Nagar, being a bustling commercial and residential area in Delhi, requires thorough geotechnical investigations to ensure the structural stability and safety of buildings and infrastructure projects. Scon Design, a reputable engineering